What are your thoughts? You don't have any thoughts?
Okay, I know Kirk. Who's got working jobs? Kirk.
You don't care either way? Or you just don't want to say?
You Jezebels, you don't even know
why you hear that?
Noise complaint. You're fighting to lose.
There's a noise complaint?
Do you understand that? In Tennessee, you're not allowed to have amplifiers and speakers within like 100 or so feet of residential. This is all residential around here. So I have people over there. So, and I know it seems like if you're from out of town, you're like, oh, it's like a week. It's not. It's every day. It's every day.
I hear your complaint. Does it bother you that children are murdered in this building?
I've never had a child. I've never had a child, and I don't want a child. So it doesn't make sense.
Sorry to hear that, sir. You don't want little children?
No, I don't want the responsibility. But that's my decision. But you know what? It isn't my decision. Why, when I'm sitting in my living room, it's a loudspeaker just screaming about fetuses every day. I'm trying to work from home right now, and it's like,
well, just try to see a little bit from our perspective that they're mass murdering little children in this building.
They don't do abortion clinics.
Yeah, they do. It's not illegal right now. Just because Roe v. Wade was overturned, they're still murdering babies in Nashville. Until the trigger.
Have you ever seen an abortion?
I don't care.
The thing is if you saw it, you would start to care. Because these are innocent little human beings.
Yeah, and they get murdered in every country, and in the United States, a lot less than everywhere else.
No, the United States of America is one of the greatest offenders of abortion.
Oh, no, I'm talking about murdering children. Murdering children.
Which
any children. The United States is so low. And when if you include unborn children in the overall children fatality, the United States is still lower than most of the other countries.
I never heard that.
Yeah,
what are they doing in other countries?
Anyone can get shot in other countries.
We're only one of, I think, 7 nations in the whole world that does abortions up to the moment of birth.
So do you not care about the child after they're born?
Oh, we do. We have families here that have adopted many children.
So it's not an abortion issue, it's a child safety.
It's an issue of love your neighbor as yourself.
Yeah, and I don't have any issue with that. I have an issue with
loud preaching
in my living room.
Yes.
We understand that. I mean,
yeah, we hear that.
Like
every day, not just this week.
We're hoping one day when you're sitting in your living room, like you might hear the screams of a baby that's having a scissor jammed into the back of its head.
Having this done to him.
Sucking out its brain.
Having this done to him right here.
No, but that's
I know you can't hear that.
No, but that's something. Why would you wish that on someone?
Because right now you're saying this bothers you, but that doesn't bother you.
More than this.
That's what's crazy.
I encourage you to look at this, sir.
We don't expect you necessarily to come out here and preach, but there are innocent little children.
I'm not arguing about this because you don't know. Like, I'm a Catholic, right? I'm a Catholic.
What
does the Catholic Church say about?
I'm not getting into this. I'm only talking about noise. Only talking about noise and possibly traffic safety. I know they cause accidents here every other day almost.
So with you, if someone had an unjust ruling that it would be okay to kill you, would you want someone to stand up and say, just because you
I'm not talking about that. If someone had an unjust ruling about someone putting a megaphone outside your speaker, and they said if they want to say, this guy's a piece of shit, and they can hold a megaphone, what would you say?
Hey,
that's harassment. That's harassment.
It's not, well,
that's
you gotta learn how to be a wife, a husband first. And then after you're a husband, then you should be a father.
Well, we live in the United States of America, which gives us this ability, which is why our country is great, and it's going to stay great, because when we have issues of murder, when we have injustice, we need to take to the streets.
And be loud.
And let people know, make them aware of the injustice. It's happened throughout all human history.
Nowhere anywhere in any legislation does anyone have a right to have a super loud megaphone.
Actually, yeah, they do. I've used loudspeakers in different areas of the country.
You don't have a right to, that's like a privilege.
But so you're saying they don't have a right to make you uncomfortable?
No,
but you're okay with the right to actually kill an individual.
No,
we're not seeing apples to apples.
No, but see, if you want me to even talk about the issue that you're protesting, is someone getting murdered right now?
Not today, because we're here.
No, but my issue is right now. That's what I'm saying.
But why are they not being murdered right now? Because of us.
Because of Christians.
Because of us.
Standing up, men standing up.
No, it's not because of the law. They're still murdering.
Sir, what?
I'm not. No.
I just want to get your name because I like to be.
Love means a responsibility.
Okay. Well, my name's Nicholas,
Made
and
himself responsible
because it's
for
more
our
personable to know people, right? To know their names.
Jesus Christ took care
Okay, you don't have
of
to, I
the
just-
business for our sins. God sent His
I can
Son.
do better. Maybe I'll talk about it.
Jesus is the only one to deal with our sins.
I mean, I hope you can see from our perspective that when mass murder is happening, you gotta have urgency, right?
You know, if I want to think about mass murder, I got to be able to hear
He
myself
came
think.
to abolish the
Until
works
that
of the
happens,
devil.
I'm not even going to think
That's
about
what he
it.
came. That's
Well,
what he came to
people
do.
show urgency by being loud and hey, people are being murdered. We need to wake up. We need to do something about this, right?
And through Jesus Christ, we understand that our God is the God of the family because He made the son and the daughter. He made the husband and the wife. He made.
Do you know what the duty of a man is, sir?
He made the God of the family.
The duty of a man?
God says, "I am the-"
A man is called to be a provider and a protector of women and children,
He's the God of
including the children being murdered in this building, the children being murdered throughout Nashville. That's what a real man does. A real man just protects and provides.
All right, how you doing?
God made the family. We're supposed to be right and righteous husbands who love our wives.